What's going on, guys? Just out here going for a little nice tour in the country. We just put the MBRP pipe on. You can see it right there. Gotta say that it turned out real nice. Nice easy install, just burning off all the oils and everything, getting a nice color change on it already. The hardest part of the install was getting that clamp off and then getting it to slide. I had to put some heat into that joint in order to get the whole unit to rotate and slide out, but that probably took the longest amount of time. That was probably at least half the time. But yeah, it's looking good. Sounds great. Let me fire it up for you guys here. You can have a listen. So yeah, she's got a nice loud bark on the 650. It's actually a little louder than I thought it'd be, but I think I'll get used to it. I'm not complaining too much. Anyways, thought I'd share. Gonna keep on heading down the road and enjoy this beautiful Friday evening. It's nice to see the corn getting taller too. It's getting a little nervous there. Anyways, see you guys.